The latest generation of Myenergi products have built-in Ethernet and Wi-Fi, allowing them to connect to the internet. If you are using the Wi-Fi option, then it must be connected to your Wi-Fi router. On the Myenergi product, go to Other Settings, Internet, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Configuration. If Wi-Fi is showing as off, press plus to turn it on. Do note it may take a few seconds for it to change. Scroll down to access point. This should be on by default, but if it is showing as off, press plus, it will turn to on. Now press the menu button one back to go onto the Wi-Fi menu screen. Make a note of the SSID and password information, or you can take a photograph to assist you with the next steps.
So on your Android device, tap into Settings, into Connections, into Wi-Fi, find the Myenergi network that was on the device screen, pop in the password from the Myenergi product, and then press Connect. At this point you may be prompted about the internet may not be available. If that does show up for you, you can either choose Connect this time or Always Connect. Connect this time is perfectly fine to use every time. Once that's then done, we're going to go to the web browser on the device, and then you're going to need to search in the search bar for 192.168.4.1. You need to put a new password in. This password must be at least 8 characters long, made up of lowercase and uppercase letters, and contain a digit. Once that's done, press Connect. You'll then be prompted that your Myenergi Wi-Fi password has changed, and it'll take you to a new screen where it says Detected Networks. Tap onto that Detected Networks list, find your network you want to connect to, and then pop your password in. This is your Wi-Fi router password you're now entering. And press Connect. Once that's done, you'll see Myenergi Wi-Fi configuration is changed. We're reloading in around 15 seconds. Once complete, it will revert you back to your home page. And then we go back to the Myenergi product.
Now your Myenergi device is connected to the router and will be able to talk to our server if you have no additional security applied. You may wish to check this, because we do use port 87 as a forwarding port. Make sure this is turned on your router to allow data to reach to and from your Myenergi products and our server. Once completed, you will now be online with your Myenergi product.